Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to create captions in Premiere Pro. Okay, so I'm going to choose this video, my how to resize video in Premiere Pro. So one thing, make sure automatic transcription is on. Okay, language English. It's only me speaking, so we don't need more than one speaker. Auto transcribe early clips and sequence is absolutely fine. So then you want to create that with auto transcription on. Okay. Now once it's on, head over into text, transcript, and you can see there's a transcript for the whole video done. Okay. So everything I say in this video is written down here. Now all I need to do is press create captions. Caption preset, default, that's absolutely fine by me. Create your captions. A new bar will appear at the top of your timeline, and there are your captions. And you can move these around just as you would video. In case you want to maybe have the hello here, you can do that. But yeah, it is that easy, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.